So the fight begins with the issue of land. According to Lomov, Oxon Meadows, for example, this is a land, Oxon Meadows and Birch Woods, which belong to Natalia, were situated on the same road and were next to each other. So he told that Oxon Meadows, my Oxon Meadows and your Birch Woods are just next to each other. Okay, but Natalia claimed that Oxon Meadows were hers, and Lomov claimed Oxon Meadows belonged to him. So here the fight began. Let's read. Lomov explains the ownership. Hearing this, Natalia gets serious. She tells him that Oxon Meadows are not Lomov's but theirs. Okay, she told that Oxon Meadows did not belong to Lomov, they were of Natalia. See, how anybody can say this land is mine, not yours? There will be any reason behind this. Okay, so the reason also we have to know, that we will read now. Oxon Meadows are not Lomov's but theirs. Lomov clarifies means he gives clarification that he is referring to Oxon Meadows. They are between her Birchwoods and Burnt Marsh. Okay, Oxon Meadows were between Birchwoods and Burnt Marsh. Okay, there was another land, Burnt Marsh and Birchwoods, both were of Natalia, and between these two lands there were Oxon Meadows. Lomov told these are mine, but Natalia told from Burnt Marsh up to Birchwoods the land is ours. Okay, so Natalia says that they are theirs. Lomov refuses it. He says that his aunt's grandmother. See why Lomov claims that Oxon Meadows were Oxon Meadows belong to him. He says that his aunt's grandmother gave those meadows to Natalia's father's grandfather, and the peasants used the land for 40 years, but they regarded them their own. So why Lomov was saying the land belonged to him, and why Natalia claimed that land was theirs? The reason was that Lomov told that his aunt's grandmother gave Oxon Meadows to Natalia's father's grandfather. Okay, Lomov's aunt's grandmother gave this land to Natalia's father's grandfather before 40 years, and for 40 years the farmers were using this land, and after using this land they grabbed the land and told them that they were their own. They regarded that land their own. Okay, so this was a reason of confusion regarding Oxon Meadows, ownership of Oxon Meadows. Natalia refuses Lomov's claim. Natalia didn't agree with this. She says that Oxon Meadows are theirs. Lomov says that he will show the documents, but Natalia says that they had the land for nearly 300 years. She can't stand on fairness, though the meadows are worth 300 rubles is their currency. And Lomov said that the peasants of Natalia's father's grandfather baked bricks for his aunt's grandmother.